What? Make sure I got all my stuff set up. Okay, yeah. We're good. Make sure I got all my stuff set up. Alright. So, anyone who has watched me play this, I've played quite a bit, not streaming. Okay. So, right now what I need to do... Oh. Good dog.
Good dog.
Okay. Base.
Please specify a project.
Yeah, no, I need to get this. So 1 R&D team away and 2 support unit level. Let's see if I can do some rearranging here. So I need people who are not all staff. Okay,
Select
Jackal, you
unit.
go to there.
Staff assigned.
And that's support.
Select unit. Staff weather will clear shortly.
Grab a Jackal.
Select unit.
Go in there for
Staff
now.
assigned. Select unit. Staff assigned. Select unit. Staff assigned. Select unit. Staff assigned. Select unit. Staff assigned.
Okay.
Development project has been added. Please specify a project.
Huh? Why can I do
Please
that?
specify a project.
Oh, crap, R&D team's on 17, so I need to go up one more. Great.
Select unit. Staff assigned. Development project has been added.
That's what I need to make.
Please specify a project.
That'll be 18 minutes, so for now, let's get a pickup.
Please the landing zone confirmed.
Roger.
Look at the sun.
This is B
We got a new stunner.
Arriving shortly at LZ.
I may have accidentally used it on DD. Yes. Call me Ryder, bitch.
This is B-Quad. On station at LZ.
Yeah, well you ain't down yet. What are your shit? Okay. Let's move.
Gaining altitude.
That's right. Okay, no. Bam, bam. Bar command for D-Dog is now available. What? We raise our bond? Did we just become best friends?
Development complete.
Okay. You received today's daily bonus. Biological material. I'll take it. Okay, we'll do a side up while we'll wait for... Extract the highly skilled soldier.
Please select a landing zone.
What? My fucking nearest one is down there.
Heading to Central Africa.
Don't have any vehicles, do we? Okay.
Deploying.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I know how to do that. Confused then. Anglo-Zeri border region. Oh, we got the battle dress as well. I should have put that up. Oh well. Looks like sunset, so we'll be able to get there by night time. Upless brains down in there. Get some money from this, then we'll do the. Hopefully, it'll be in time for the main up. To do the main up, because that's all I've been kind of waiting for, is to be able to do the main up.
Be careful down there, boss.
Place an marker. Probably.
Marker
place
placed.
that there. Had to move. Like the left.
Sun will
See?
set.
Sunset. Nailed the time. Splash, splash. Let's go, Dee Dee. There's a cool new feature as well I got, is the sonar biodetector. I used that when I was extracting one of the mother base survivors. Those guys are weird though, I don't know what's going on with them. They're kind of like skulls. That's weird. I don't remember shooting anything. Alright, let's keep moving. Now, there's a reason I didn't bring Quiet along, because I like bringing Quiet along now, but I tried to extract someone last time, and she shot him in the face.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
No growl. Calm your tits. Is that a... That's a
Analysis
tank!
complete.
Why the fuck didn't I bring my fucking rocket launcher? God damn it. Nobody told me about a tank. Nobody ever tells you about a tank until it arrives and blows your fucking face off. Alright. Shit, there's a lot of them around here. Alright, first I'm gonna take this guy out.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
We'll take these two guys out. Oh, they got snipers placed now.
Analysis complete. Analysis
So,
complete.
cool thing about this game that I've realized is that they adapt to my bloody strategies. So let me guess, these guys are wearing helmets? No, they're not. Idiot. Gotta be wearing your helmets, or else I'll be coming for you. I'm gonna interrogate this one. Don't make a sound, DD. Hey buddy, how's it going?
Talk.
The map has been updated.
They have a specialist here, which I'm gonna try and take as well.
Analysis
That's the
complete.
target.
Back to highly skilled soldier. How am I gonna do this? The tank makes it really difficult. Like, I would call in D-Walker, but I haven't got enough GMP. Kind of just spent it. Okay, no. ED? Wait. What are those guys doing over there? Are they walking towards us or away from us?
Analysis
They're walking
complete.
towards us. I'm really gonna... God, Snake, go do this. Go extract this person. Oh no, it won't be difficult at all. What do you mean there's a tank there?
When you want to begin a mission, open your iDroid and select it from the mission list. I sent a list of selectable missions to your iDroid. They're all jobs that only you can handle.
Basically, plan is... we have to take him down, blow up the tank after I extract him, which is going to be the difficult part. Unless nobody notices that he goes down. Oh great, he's got a helmet on. Don't turn around. Okay.
You got to extract him.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Damn it. Okay, you're going down. Ooh!
You
Actually,
have arrived
worked
at
back.
your destination.
Actually, it worked out better than I thought it was going to. Do I have to exfiltrate the hot zone? No, no.
He's coming too. Roger that.
Well, yeah, we kind of need to sort some shit out around here. Well, that worked out better than I thought it was going to.
Analysis.
Subject on board. Leave the rest to us.
Analysis complete.
Okay, I need to get that guy.
Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
Not you. Place a marker on you.
Marker placed.
Damn it, you guys need to stop bombing each other.
Marker placed.
There we go.
Okay.
Alright. Make sure there's no one else around here that could fuck up my plans.
Analysis.